Hello, we are discussing about GATE 1995 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. It's the match the following question. We are going to match the characteristics of common collector, common emitter, common base with the given options. So first we will see the differences between common collector, common emitter and common base. Later we can provide the answer. So we know that this is common base and it is common emitter, common collector, and I am going to compare these three amplifiers with respect to different aspects. First one is input impedance Ri or Zi. Input impedance of common base is very small compared to input impedance of common emitter compared to input impedance of common collector. So the important thing is highest input impedance is provided by common collector amplifier. Lowest input impedance is provided by common base. Next, output impedance R0 or Z0. So output impedance is very high in case of common base and it is moderate in case of common emitter, and output impedance is very small in case of common collector. So because of these characteristics, input impedance is very high, output impedance is very low. So common collector acts as impedance matching device. Okay, that is, it is acting as a good voltage buffer. And third important characteristic, voltage gain AV. Voltage gain of common base is very large compared to voltage gain of common emitter and compared to voltage gain of common collector. Voltage gain of common collector is approximately equal to 1. So common collector has unity voltage gain, remember this point, and voltage gain is highest in case of common base. Fourth one, current gain AC. A is generally specified for the gain and suffix C is nothing but current gain. Current gain is very small in case of common base, and common current gain is moderate in case of common emitter, and current gain is very large in case of common collector, and current gain is approximately equal to 1 in case of common base. So common base has unity current gain. Highest current gain is provided by common collector. Okay, and fifth one is power gain. Power gain is nothing but multiplication of voltage and current gains. Since voltage and current gains are going to be more than 1 in case of common emitter, so power gain of common emitter is highest compared to power gain of common collector and power gain of common base. And the applications part, if you see, common base is going to be act as amplifier at high frequencies, that too along with common emitter only. That's why this amplifier is called as cascode amplifier. Common base act as amplifier at high frequencies, that too in conjunction with common emitter. That amplifier is called as cascode amplifier. Common emitter is act as good voltage amplifier at mid frequencies and low frequencies, and common collector doesn't provide amplification because its voltage gain is unity, so it acts as buffer or impedance matching device. And one more difference you must remember is common emitter provides 180 degrees phase shift between its output and input, whereas common base and common collector will provide 0 degrees phase shift between output and input. These are the 7 important differences you must remember in case of common base, common emitter, common collector. And one more noticeable point is the voltage gain of common base is large compared to common emitter, but it is okay, voltage gain of common base is approximately same as voltage gain of common emitter only, but common emitter slightly less, but you can ignore that equality, you can ignore that greater, so that you can think it as equal only. In case of current gain also, current gain of common emitter is going to be okay, approximately equal to common collector, so it is approximately equal to common collector current gain. That's why only you can think in this way. Beta is nothing but common emitter current gain, and gamma is nothing but common collector current gain. Common collector current gain is simply beta plus 1. If you think beta is 50 or 100, that 1 is going to be very small. So alpha and beta are almost equal, but a difference of 1 that can be ignored at large values of beta. In the same way, voltage gain is also, in case of common base, common emitter, both are going to be approximately equal only. That is the reason why common emitter is going to be much preferred. Common emitter is going to be much preferred amplifier because of moderate input impedance and output impedance and high voltage gain, current gain, which is giving very high power gain. So that common emitter amplifier is going to be much preferred. Now we will see about the differences. Common collector. Common collector provides current gain but no voltage gain, because common collector is going to be having zero unity voltage gain, so it cannot provide any voltage gain. Next, common emitter. Common emitter provides both voltage gain as well as current gain, so this will be 5 and it will be 2. Next, common base amplifier will provide voltage gain but no current gain, so this is 1. So the answer is nothing but for common collector it is 2, and for common emitter it is 5, and for common base it is 1 option. So this is the right answer for this question. Thank you.